Okay, here it is, everybody. I'm done with it. I've got every modification on here that I intended to do. And it's, it turned out really good. I'm super happy with it. This is a super clean KX112. There's no doubt about it. It's ready to go. And I just kind of want to go through it a little bit. The final build, here it is. So let's talk about all the features of this motorcycle. We have Pro Taper oversized bars. We got Pro Taper grips. Those are the medium waffle grips. Working our way down. Of course, we got the Pro Circuit Works pipe. Factory Racing Boyesen clutch cover. Hammerhead shift lever. That's 20 millimeters longer. And we have the Moose Racing oversized pegs. These are with a 1/2 inch offset, which moves them back a 1/2 inch. Pro Taper chain. That's the mica metal sprocket with one tooth added over stock. And of course we got the Pro Circuit R304 shorty. Boyesen rad valve. Around to this side. There's a good view of the VHM gold head with that has the high compression supercross insert. So it gives you more bottom end, more torque. CV4 radiator hoses, those are just a little added touch. Got a CV4 1.4 bar radiator cap. Actually up here, I don't know if you can see them, but we've got Works Connection fork bleeders. And of course inside the forks, we've got factory connection 0.33 fork springs, so I got heavy duty springs in there. And that's it. So, a lot went into this. This build has been absolutely meticulous in every way. I've worked super hard to do it precisely without any, damage to anything. Everything's torqued to spec. It should be a really awesome motorcycle. So here's a bit of a surprise. I'm sure you guys probably aren't expecting this, but this motorcycle is for sale. That's right, this bike is for sale. The first person who can offer me a minimum of $7,000 takes the bike away. All right, I'm gonna have it for sale for 30 days. Today is February 13th, 2022. And this bike will be for sale until March 13th. 2022. So it's going to be on sale for 30 days. If nobody buys it in 30 days, I'll make a decision. I'm either going to extend the offer or I'll just take it off the market and I'll start riding it. And I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it if I do. But I thought, hey, why not? This is a super clean bike. Worked really hard on it. I don't think you're going to find a better build than this anywhere. These bikes aren't super easy to come by. So if you want to pick one up, this bike has never ever been ridden. It's a brand new off the showroom KX112. I've done all the work for you. And I put a lot of time and effort into this bike, so that factors into something, right? Now, if you want to buy it, you have to come to Southwest Idaho to pick it up. I'm not far from Boise, Idaho, probably about a 30-minute drive from the Boise airport. So you would have to pick it up at my location. I will not deliver this motorcycle. You'll have to pick it up from me. I won't finance it. I won't trade anything. Just a straight up deal, $7,000 or more, right? The highest bid gets this bike. And I reserve the right to cancel at any time. I also reserve the right to sell to the right person. You know, I want to make sure that I'm comfortable with whoever wants to buy it, whoever makes me an offer, that, you know, I feel good about the deal. So I definitely reserve the right to sell to the person that I think will be the best owner, the best purchaser of this awesome motorcycle. So totally up to you. $7,000 takes it. With all my hard-earned work and effort that went into this. Some really awesome quality parts. It's an awesome motorcycle. Never touched the dirt. Stock tires. Everything's perfect. Never been dropped. Been started and run just to make sure it runs good. So it's up to you. If you want it, it's yours for the right price. Highest bidder takes it. This is an awesome motorcycle. So if you want it, message me. Send me a message on the YouTube on my site, and I'll evaluate your bid. I'll evaluate you as a purchaser to see if you're legit and make sure I feel good about it. And if I do, come pick it up. Sure bite. $7,000 or higher. First bid gets this beautiful KX112, highly modified, never ridden, brand new bike. Come and get it if you want it.